everyone. Well, today is my lucky day because this great big box here arrived a little while ago, and it's my Cath Kidston order. They were having a 15% off promotion the other night, and I ordered it, and it's come really quickly. So this is my daughter's pillow, which has got to be in the picture for some reason. And the thumb from my previous video. Right, so the first thing out of my box of gorgeousness is this. Cath Kidston Merry Christmas set of 4, get it in the picture there, set of 4 dinner plates. It's a rather nice spotty dotty box, and I do like spotty dotty, as you know. Let's get one of them out. There it is. There. Absolutely lovely spotty dotty plates that say Merry Christmas around the edge. So that's going to make my Christmas dinner taste even better.
I don't actually think I have enough Christmas dinner here.
No, but I eat dinners at Christmas.
Smash up the plate a bit.
Yeah, thanks for your help. Right, next is a packet of Cath Kidston tissue paper. Pack of 4 tissue papers. They've got their new deer design on one of them, and the other's a classic red and white spot. Don't know what I'm going to use that for yet, but I really like it.
You could like stand up here.
And then I've got these really super cute little tiny cocktail napkins with the deer on that I'm going to put in my daughter's lunchbox each day. She likes to have a Christmas napkin. And then I got a set of 2 tea towels with, yes, you guessed it, the Christmas deer on in white and in blue. Set of 2 there. They look really, really nice. Pleased with those. And I got, oh, here we are. This is a nice long thing here. Wrapping paper. And you get one red with a white dot classic, blue poinsettia and deer, and white poinsettia and deer. Which is just so lovely. Actually, it's got holly on it, so she's quite right. It's holly on white. Where would I be without Phoebe reminding me? But these are too nice to use, so they might just be to look at and stroke a bit. And the very last thing I got was Cath Kidston roll of stickers and labels. So I'm going to undo the end of this and try and show it to you. The reason I got this is I am a scrapbooker. And let's move that out of the way. It's being a nuisance. There, you get loads of lovely, lovely labels in it.
You can put it on my Christmas present.
I could do, but I'm not going to because these are just too lovely. I want them for scrapbooking.
Oh, that's horrible. They're too lovely to put on my Christmas present.
They're not Christmassy. So, anyway, that's all I got today.
Doesn't matter. It's still horrible.
That's all I got today. So, thank you very much. See you again soon. Bye. From me and the thumb.